All right, morning, guys. Three things we're talking about here today. First off, the ADP private payroll numbers came out. This is the monthly job growth. So now it's not the official number, which comes out on Friday. And Friday, we'll be reporting on both the Canadian and U.S. job numbers. But we were expecting 225,000 jobs created in the U.S. The number came in dramatically lower than that, 117,000. Remember, we are expecting about 10% GDP growth in Q1 in the U.S., something similar in Canada. You recall I reported on this earlier this week. The Canadian January number came out. It was 5%, which was phenomenal. So, we're halfway to that 10% already. So if we want to get to 10% GDP growth, we need good job numbers. The job number is a little disappointing today. Markets are down a little bit. I don't know if it's because of that, but markets are down a little bit. Also, Friday, I will be reporting on the actual Canadian and U.S. Job numbers. Second of all, let's take a look at some real estate numbers that came out. So the Toronto numbers came out with respect to the average home price. It's up over $1 million. February sales were out of control. 52% surge in the number of home sales year over year. Also, inventory propelled the selling average up about 15%. So the average home price for a home in Toronto right now is $1.045 million. You compare that to an average home price in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, $341,000, about a third of the price. Also, Manitobans take about 25 months or so to save up for a down payment, and it takes about I think 100 or so months in Toronto and about 300 months in Vancouver to save up for a home. Finally, let's take a look at some stocks that are making headlines. I'll cover Wendy's and I'll cover Lyft. So Wendy's, the restaurant chain, they missed their estimates by about a penny per share, came in at 17 cents. Revenue was short as well. Global same stores rolled 4.7%. That's not fantastic. So the shares are down 3% in pre-market trading. Lyft, the ride-hailing company, said last week that they saw the highest level of volume since the pandemic took hold. So this is like the most people taking cabs and taking Ubers and taking Lyfts since the pandemic. So that's good news. I guess economy's opening up. Lyft shares are up about 5% or so in pre-market trading. Yeah, about 4% in pre-market trading. So let's take a look at those pre-market numbers here. If we take a look at the Canadian dollar, it's down 11 basis points, trading at 79.01. The Dow futures are up 36 points, although I think they're turning negative right now, 31,394. If we take a look at gold, gold is down $23 to 17.14. Oil is up 73 cents, trading at 60.48.